Men's health has been like a panacea for so many, because there has never been a very successful model developed for us to be able to train surgeons and andrologists interested in surgery, especially over the penile organ. So here we are ready with simulation and with biological model for us to be able to help train surgeons and postgraduate trainees in procedures like stapler circumcision. We know that stapler circumcision has now come in a big way, but there has not been a successful model as yet. So we've developed a very interesting basic model to teach how to execute the stapler circumcision. We have also developed a model for penile prosthesis, which is the mainstay of this course, where a semi-rigid, malleable as well as a inflatable penile prosthesis is placed into the normal cavernosal-like tissues for us to be able to simulate a proper erection in case of erectile dysfunction. Having said that, Peyronie's disease is not far away, and therefore surgical procedures on the plaques on the cavernosa, how to remove the plaques and how to be able to replace them with grafts is also one of the techniques we are going to demonstrate. Last but not the least is the artificial urinary sphincter for urinary incontinence. Yes, we have developed all these 4 special procedures on animal devices and on simulators for the help of training postgraduates as well as surgeons who are interested in developing these procedures.
The special areas about such kind of training is that you get real tissue-like, lifelike products which you can use as prostheses. You get real hands-on feel as to really implanting in the animal models with the kind